Hi and welcome to Mio's video channel. My name is Sally and today I'm going to show you how you can make your electrical cords look way much prettier by adding macrame knots to it. So let's go! Okay, so to start I need scissors, I need a crochet hook. This time I chose an 8mm kind. I need braided rope, 5mm, and some cord that I want to cover. In this case, I want to cover my charger for the phone. And what I need then first is take your braided rope and measure. You need 12 times the cord you want to cover. So measure 12 times the cord you want to cover. So in case this is 1 meter long, then you need 12 meters. Okay, so now I have my long cord and I fold it in half. Then I place my charger cord in the middle and I have my cord on each side of the charger. And what I do now is a square knot, and you will repeat the same square knot over and over, and that's how you get the twist. To do that, I start by making what I called a P. Do you see the P? And then I take my left cord and I go under and under and through the P. Pull through. This braided cord is much shorter than yours, just so it's easy to show you how to do this. Then make the P again, take the left cord, go under both and through the loop that's created and go through and pull. And again. You see that it's already starting to twist. You see? The cord will look so much better when you're done. And it goes quite fast because the braided rope is so thick. And continue until you're at the end of your cord. Okay, so when you're at the end, the last knot, I usually try to pull harder. And then what I do is that I take my crochet hook and I go through the last loop and I pick up the end, pull through, and I follow the loops backwards about 3 times. And I do that for both ends of the rope. Like that. And then I cut. The end. Like that. Now it's ready. Okay, good job you guys. I hope you had a lot of fun. We have lots of more instructions on our webpage that you can see next to me. Take a look and have fun creating.